Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to download the invoices for your purchases. First, visit www.eastrips.com. Now you are on the home page. Click on the My Account link from the top menu bar, then sign in. Great, you are now on your account dashboard page. From here, click on the Orders link, so that to see your orders history. Click View to view your order details. Or Invoice to print a copy of the invoice for your own reference. This completes today's tutorial. If you have any questions, you may contact us at support@eastrips.com. Have a wonderful journey with Eastrips.